Hello travelers, Kristi here with Motorhomes of Texas. And today we are excited to show you this 2022 Newmar Essex that we have on the lot. When you immediately walk into this, you are taken aback by this beautiful, spacious interior. This light palette color design and interior creates a fabulous look and a really refreshed feeling when you walk in. I loved sitting in this theater seating. The electric seats let you sprawl out, kick your feet up after a long day out on the road, hiking, traveling, working, whatever it is calling you out there. Now, look at this. This is a beautiful fireplace that gives a sweet ambiance and a real nice cozy feeling. As I utilized this kitchen, the one thing that stood out to me that you won't see in a lot of other coaches is this full functioning oven. Most of them want to do a combo with your microwave as its own convection oven, but this one really adds a lot of versatility for the coach. Again, we're very spacious. This coach features 3 slides, and on this driver's side, we are seeing what Newmar is known for. It's a full wall slide, meaning it starts up here and goes back into your stateroom. And then on the passenger side, you of course have a slide here in the front and then in the rear bedroom of the coach. Moving into the stateroom, you will see a full king-size bed and a lot of storage. But to me, the pinnacle of this coach is when you get into the bathroom area. Of course, this coach has a bath and a half. It is 45 feet long, but that shower is to die for. Whether you are someone that's looking for a motorhome for a long extended holiday, or you are considering and are ready to move into full-time RV, I would say this is the coach for you. So what does it have on the outside? Well, let me tell you. It has its own freezer refrigerator in the first bay on the passenger side. It has a beautiful TV, so as you're sitting outside, you have the shades and your awning out. You are able to enjoy the outside adventure and still have those comforts of home. The color scheme on the outside is exquisite. It really pops. Now, in true Newmar fashion, this coach was built on the K3 Spartan chassis. And with that 605 Cummins diesel engine, there is enough power to get you up and down the road. This coach features style, a precision craftsmanship, a lot of comfort. So we invite you to come check out this 2022 Newmar Essex here at Motorhomes of Texas, where we believe that service is not just a passion, it's an obsession.